Standing at a mind-boggling 300 meters tall, the Nurek Dam in Tajikistan is not just a structure. It's an engineering marvel, a testament to human ambition, and the world's tallest dam. In today's video, we'll explore how this colossal barrier was brought to life, the challenges it conquered, and the profound impact it has had on the world. But before we delve into the depths of this engineering feat, if you find yourself captivated by stories of human ingenuity and large-scale projects, consider subscribing. Your support means the world to us. The journey to constructing the Nurek Dam began not with a blueprint, but with an idea. In the 1950s, the Soviet Union recognized the untapped potential of the Vaksh River in Tajikistan. An ambitious plan was born. A dam would be built, not just any dam, but the tallest in the world. But this vision didn't materialize overnight. Years of meticulous planning, geological surveys, and feasibility studies were conducted. The question wasn't if a dam would be built, but how. The site chosen for this monumental task was the narrowest section of the Vaksh River Valley near the town of Nurek. The surrounding mountains provided a natural fortress, offering protection against seismic activity and external forces. The towering cliffs ensured that the dam wouldn't need to be excessively wide at the base, saving on construction costs and materials. With the location decided, the next phase began, diverting the river. The Vaksh River, a powerful force of nature, needed to be tamed before construction could start. Two diversion tunnels were blasted through the mountainside, each 11 meters wide and 10 kilometers long. These tunnels would serve as pathways for the river to bypass the construction zone. The tunnels weren't just holes in the mountain. They were engineered marvels. Powerful pumps pushed the water through, forcing it to travel at a speed of up to 20 meters per second. This rapid flow demanded precise calculations to prevent erosion and maintain the tunnel's structural integrity. With the river redirected, the site was ready for excavation. The removal of soil and rock was a Herculean task. Over 300 million cubic meters of material was excavated. This was equivalent to digging a trench 3 meters wide and 3 meters deep all the way from Tajikistan to Paris. Heavy-duty excavators and trucks worked tirelessly, hauling away the debris. This material was not wasted. It was used to create the foundation of the dam, layer upon layer, until a stable platform was formed. The true test of the dam's foundation came when water pressure threatened to undermine the structure. To combat this, engineers employed a technique known as grouting. High-pressure jets of cement and water were injected into the ground through hundreds of boreholes. This created a solidified mass, binding the loose particles together and forming a solid base for the dam. The next phase was the most visible and perhaps the most inspiring, pouring the concrete. The dam was designed to be built into sections. Each section was constructed as a series of inclined concrete slabs. These slabs, some weighing as much as 20,000 tons, were lifted into place using giant cranes. The concrete used in the Nurek Dam wasn't ordinary. It was a specialized mix designed to withstand the immense pressure of the water and the corrosive effects of the elements. Each load of concrete was tested rigorously before use. Samples were taken and tested for strength, durability, and water permeability. As the dam grew in height, the challenge of transporting materials became more daunting. Each level demanded more precision and care than the last. Steel reinforcement was added to the concrete to enhance its tensile strength, preventing the structure from cracking under pressure. The dam's spillway, designed to release excess water during floods, was constructed with massive gates that could be raised or lowered to regulate the flow of water. By the time the dam reached its full height, it stood at an astonishing 300 meters, equivalent to the height of a 30-story building. The sheer scale of the project was evident to all who saw it. At the base, the dam was 217 meters wide, narrowing to just 15 meters at the top. The reservoir behind the dam could hold back over 13 billion cubic meters of water, enough to supply the needs of Tajikistan and Uzbekistan for several years. With the dam complete, it was time to fill the reservoir. This process was carefully managed to prevent sudden rises in water levels that could cause flooding. As the reservoir began to fill, the impact of the dam became apparent. The Vaksh River, once a narrow stream, became a vast artificial lake stretching as far as the eye could see. The surrounding landscape transformed, creating a new horizon. In the heart of Tajikistan, the Nurek Dam stands as a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. Built over 5 decades ago, it continues to defy the odds, holding back one of nature's most formidable forces, the mighty Vaksh River. The dam's impact on the region has been nothing short of transformative. It provides hydroelectric power, regulates water flow, and protects against devastating floods. But the story of the Nurek Dam is not just about engineering feats and statistics. It's a tale of human determination, courage, and sacrifice. The thousands of workers who toiled day and night to bring this vision to reality faced numerous challenges. From harsh weather conditions to the complexities of the construction process, their dedication and hard work made the seemingly impossible possible. Yet despite its towering presence and immense functionality, the Nurek Dam has faced its share of controversies. Environmental concerns, displacement of communities, and questions regarding safety have been raised over the years. These challenges are not unique to the Nurek Dam. Large-scale infrastructure projects often come with trade-offs that must be carefully considered and managed. Looking ahead, the future of the Nurek Dam holds both opportunities and challenges. As Tajikistan and Uzbekistan continue to grow, the demand for water and electricity will likely increase, placing greater reliance on the dam's resources. Regular maintenance, technological upgrades, and adaptive management strategies will be crucial to ensure the dam's longevity and effectiveness. The Nurek Dam is more than just the world's tallest dam. It's a symbol of human resilience, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of progress. Standing at 300 meters tall, it serves as a constant reminder that with determination and ingenuity, we can overcome even the most daunting challenges. The roar of the Vaksh River as it crashes against the concrete monolith echoes a tale of both power and control, a testament to our ability to harness nature's forces for our benefit. As we marvel at its grandeur, let's also reflect on the lessons it holds, the challenges it faced, and the responsibility that comes with wielding such immense power over the forces of nature. From the intricate planning and construction to the environmental considerations and future challenges, the Nurek Dam offers a microcosm of human ambition, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of progress. If you found this video informative and entertaining, please don't forget to leave us a thumbs up. And if you love similar content like this, consider subscribing. We've got plenty more videos about impressive structures and engineering marvels waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring. And remember, some of the greatest human achievements are those that seem impossible.